That's the packaging. I already have it opened up. It's right there. And I'm about to install this right now. I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm very excited. These are the colors we're gonna get. We'll see how it looks once it's installed. And I didn't want to go with direct wiring. I went with this. This way I could turn it on and off, you know, whenever I want. And these are the lighting I got. So we'll see how it looks once it's installed. I got some zip ties and we're gonna get to it. I'm at that same shop I told you guys in my previous videos. Make sure you come here for any inspections or anything like that, for exhaust tips installed or whatever. If you got tinted windows, just come here for inspection. We got you. Just say Honda send me. Holy shit, guys, this is tiring because I just did the intercooler resonator delete. Intercooler, yeah. And I had to remove everything from the bottom of the car right there. And that's gone, so now I put it back together. With Jimmy's help, of course. And now I kind of, let me show you guys real quick. Let me flip the camera. The lights, I kind of organized it up here since it's on the ramp. So I wanted to go ahead and organize it here. And I disconnected these wires. Their connections right here. So this is the long side, which is going to be going up top. And then that's for the rear, so it's a small one. That's for this side. And I actually put one right here, as you guys can see. Connection's gonna go there. I actually installed it right there, all the way hidden, so you don't see the LED lights when, you know, when the car is parked or whatever. You don't want to. Some cars you could actually see the LED lights. I don't think it's a good job, but yeah, it's good. I used alcohol. Make sure you put a. You use anything, like I just use this alcohol pads, you know, kind of clean the area surface, so it sticks really good. But either way, like it gave me some zip ties, but I don't think I want to do zip ties. I'm gonna get some clear tape, or like 3M clear tape. I'm gonna put that over that, or if I do go zip ties, if I can. I don't think I'm gonna do zip ties, honestly. It's gonna, yeah. No, I'm not gonna do zip ties. I'm just gonna get the clear tape. I'm just gonna put it right here, and it should be good to go. That's about it, guys. If you guys have like silicone or something like that, you could use it in certain spots so it won't come off. But let's see what happens once it's installed. Alright guys, check this out. So Bilal tried to hook me up with the wiring, proper wiring. We went from the inside, the driver's side, from the bottom. You can actually, where the light is focused is right there.
Steering column.
Yeah. What is it called?
It's called steering column, like shaft.
It's like a shaft. It's like a column. It's like a rubber piece sealed there. So you see, we kind of pushed it out a little bit, and then all the wires came out, so we can put them down properly. So this way, I got the motor inside, and I can control the lights from there. So we'll keep watching. We'll see where it goes. Alright guys, updated version, here we go. So far, so I installed it here. Whenever you want to do it, make sure you do it on the edge right here. Now that focus. Because like I said, some people do it right there on the outer side of the car, and then you can see the LED lighting. It looks weird. I'd like to see the ambient of it. So it's gonna go here. I got the zip ties. Make sure you clean the surface with like rubbing alcohol, and then you can do zip ties easily without making holes. The zip tie right there, zip ties right there. See, so it doesn't fall off or anything throughout the weather, like water or winter, anything. But you can apply clear tape as well if you want, like from here, and just push it inwards. You can just pull this down a little bit, and then you can push in the tape, so it will stay there good. But this will do it. Yeah, it won't like the 3M tape that came with it is actually for itself. But the link is in the description below, guys, for this like underglow. And then from the back, we started from here, from this end, and then yeah, we kept going until this end, so it worked perfectly. that end to that end, so it worked perfectly. So you'll see like balanced lighting when it's lit up. And yeah, so far the wiring's here. Yeah, I'm not gonna wire it over this because it's gonna get burned. It's just there for now. And so far the wiring's in the center right now. I'll show you guys where we got the wiring from in the end of the video, how we got it all the way here. Yeah, you see it's deep inside, and it actually came from under the hood. So where is it? Yeah, it's literally right there from top. You'll see a little bit of it, and yeah, you could see it right there in the center if you focus. Yeah, so stay tuned and keep watching. Once I'm done with this, I'll show you guys how it looks. So I decided to add some 3M tape after I cleaned it with like rubbing alcohol, of course, to make sure for extra safety, I guess, you know, on the front, so it doesn't fall or anything like that. It's a heavy duty one, it's half inch. I got it on Amazon. The link is in the description below for 3M tape as well. Luckily I brought it with me just in case, and it worked out. So I got zip ties on this side. I cut it off, the extra part, excessive, and the zip ties actually go through here. Like, you don't have to drill a hole or anything like that. They'll pop right out. And if you push it down a little bit, you can see the zip tie, and then you can just pull it outwards. Sorry, this way, you pull it out. That's it. Then I put 3M tape for safety again. I put them here and inside, right there. And I got only in the middle section, like, so you can see the zip ties, and I got 3M tape right there for extra safety. Not that it's gonna fall or anything like that, but, and then I got 3M tape on this side. For the back side, I put 3M tape over here in the corners. I put it a little bit longer because there's no way to zip tie it unless you drill holes and stuff. I'm not gonna do it. So you can see I got a few, and that should hold it up. And then we'll get to the wiring part, and then I'll show you guys about the wiring, and then we'll see how it looks once it's completely done. Stay tuned. Finally, it's done. We got one wiring you can't even see anymore. That's how clean it is. Only one mistake we did was, not really a mistake, but we just couldn't, you know, we had everything tied up. So just one wire here. I just 3M taped it here. It's good. We ran all the wires downwards from the, what's it called? From the inside, and then down from the hood area, and then we pulled it all the way this way. And then I have all the wires for this side, the right side, driver's side. The wires actually running from inside for safety, you know, for water or snow or whatever, so it doesn't get tangled or anything. And we ran it above here, so you can see a 3M tape a little bit. I taped it there, and I protected it from inside. And all the wires, this one, driver's side, the wire is actually inside, along with this one, along with the front one. And then the back one was a bit tough. I used 3M tape in certain areas because it didn't have anywhere to go. So I just taped it up there and behind the heat shield, so this muffler wasn't, the muffler resonator, the heat doesn't come to it, so it's protected all the way up to here. And then staying up, of course, momentum. And then we took this plate off, and then we took this off a little bit, and then this off, just to get the whole wires in there. And everything is pretty much hidden right here, which is perfect. Everything, all the extra wires hidden right there. It looks clean, a lot better. It does light up, so the link is in the description below for this product, of course. And I'm gonna bring it down now, and then we're gonna see the lighting for it, how it looks. But yeah, as you can see overall, there's really no wirings or anything like that anywhere except that one area, and that's about it. See that? It's perfectly done. This is inside, so you really can't see it once the car is down. So it's all good. We're good to go. We'll take a look at it soon. So there you have it. That's how it looks. See that? I can change any color I like. It's really good. Far away. Yeah. See, I got all these colors, but Yeah, this color, red one's looking aggressive, white one's looking good. So to show you all around front, and then see that side. In the back, see you in the back too. So it's lit. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm just gonna turn on the accessories so you guys can see the, wow, that's crazy, big difference at night. Yeah, let me just get in the front. Look at that, that is awesome. We can also, you know, dim it, make it brighter, so brighter it gets, but we just want to keep it like that. I don't know. It's too good looking. We keep it like this. This looks nice. Right there, that's perfect. But yeah, guys, this is a nice color right there. It's blue, green, red. It's like evil. I gotta get the red fog lights for this. It's coming soon. That's that. Yeah, these are all the colors I got, but I'm really loving this one for some reason. But yeah, walk around it at nighttime. It looks dope. That's nice.